All right, let's talk about collinear points. Collinear points. Okay. So when we say points are collinear, it means they lie on the same straight line. Okay. They have constant gradients. All right. So in talking about collinear points, we focus on 3 points. Okay. Now, 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same straight line, so which has a constant gradient. Okay. If the gradient between any pairs of points are equal, then the points are collinear. So under this, you'll be given 3 points. Say, let's say 2, 5, 3, 2, then 1, 1, to show whether they are collinear or not. Okay. Now the first thing is to choose any 2 pairs. So always you can start with the first 2 points here. That is 2, 5 and 3, 2. Okay. So now you choose these points. Now find the slope. Okay. And name it M1. So after finding the slope, then you put the result there. Let's assume the slope for this point is 5. Okay. Now then move on to the next 2 pairs. So you choose this 2, 3, 2, and then 1, 1. Okay. Then you find the slope as well. Name it M2. Now, in case you get 5, we have M1 as 5 and M12 as 5. Once the gradients are equal, it means the points here are collinear. Now, if M2 happens to be 3, 5 and 3 are not the same, and therefore we conclude that the points are not collinear. So that's all. So let's solve examples. All right, now let's determine which of the following set of points are collinear. Okay, so let's show whether the points here are collinear or not. Okay, so just as I said, now with the I, we choose the first 2 points. So we have 3, 2, then 5, 3. Okay, so you can check out the second video whereby we discuss about how to find the slope of 2 given points. So after that, so we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So let's call this m1 slope. So changing y on changing x. Okay, so we have 3 minus 2 on 5 minus 2. Sorry. So 3 minus 2, then 5 minus 3. So we have 1 on 2. Okay. So let's look at the other 2 pairs. So 5, 3, then minus 5, minus 2. So let's call this one M2. That is the second gradient. Okay, so x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus 2 minus y1, x2 minus 5 minus 5 minus 5. So we have minus 5 minus 10, so which is half. Okay, so since m1 equals m2, comma, therefore the points are collinear. So that is how we do it. Okay. All right. So can you try the second one? Yes. So go ahead. Then try this. So you find the first gradient for the first 2 points. Then do same to the second gradient. That is the second 2 points. The other pairs. This and that. Now try this and put the answer under the comment section below, whether these points are collinear or not. All right. Okay, let's look at this application. So we are still under collinear points. Okay, so it goes like this. The points 2m minus 2 and 3m 9 are collinear. Find the possible values of m. Okay. When do we say points are collinear? When their gradients are equal. So with this, you will take the gradient of the first 2 pairs, then do same to the other 2, then equate them. That's all. So we focus on 2m, then minus 2. So let's find the slope here. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have 2 minus m, well, minus 2. So minus 2, minus 2. So we have 2 minus m over minus 4. Okay. All right, so let's look at the other pairs. So we have minus 2, 2, then 3m, 9. So let's find m2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. 9 minus 2 over 3m minus 2. So this side becomes 7 on 3m plus 2. Okay. Now, the points are collinear. It means their gradients are equal. So you say m1 equals to m2 because they are collinear. Therefore, my m1 is 2 minus m over minus 4 equals to 7 over 3m plus 2. So let's solve this. Okay. So we have 2 minus m times 3m plus 2 equal to 7 times minus 4. Okay, so let's expand. 6m plus 4 minus 3m squared minus 2m equals to minus 28. Okay, so let's arrange this. It's a quadratic. So we have minus 3m squared minus, so we have minus 2m plus 6m. So this side becomes plus 4m. Okay, then minus 28 coming in to be positive, so we have plus 32 equal to 0. Now let's dissolve this negative. Let's divide through or multiply through. We have 3m squared minus 4m minus 32 equal to 0. All right, so when you solve this well, you get m as 4, then minus 8 on 3. Okay, so you can use any of the methods. I've taught how to solve quadratic equation using all the methods. You can check out from my videos. All right. Thanks.